And ever since Yana Sam George, any DSTV for air count or back and forth, no. Then very ever comment that everyone say, Penyah, not Twene one Ghana Hana, Penyah, the Oya the pet by Twene. The Almighty was in the air. Sam George was in the about what by Twene. Finally, Twene Jonas Abakasa. I found the choir Sam George, any DSTV, a queen at the end of the day, no, the one of us will be a so while wasting Ghanaian time of choir. Press conference who do who knew and was will be a muscle. Twene Abakasa Sam George. What I say, one plug back comment here. Should I reply Sam George? Or just say, I'm was. Hey, Julian, no, I have a granny. But once they will watch the watching Amame, our comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Let's watch any demo. Over like video, no drama, about subscribe button, some like the cable notification and updates. I bet you watching the Amame, our comment section. Let's also Baswa. No watch video more for any be Asher. Ain't for the past 5 months indeed. Anna Sam George, one DSTV account or qua, or the kind of telecommunication network in the account or qua. Emma, oh, Memo want to see the band so, the moment you say, at the end of the day, no. Or be promote MTN other network no because or be force Ghana for or be convince here Emma now the to data here top 4 million there say be my company no enya sika more bando anebo for more obi abetuma to be 1 2 3 data bando no 10 series no Sam George and can no ho asem the interest 4 million just be running promotion so be to I don't know more ama companies no enya sika just now no Sam George, Adane advertiser, minister of advertisement, or advertising companies. Sam George is serious. Now, sound of call we know. We are not some called DsTv, so multi choice. Emma, Sam George no more condo kwankasa. Emma, no more at the crown. DsTv, multi choice. I can Sam George. Now we through. Adia yen, you better idea born and say, hey, Clatchy. You better maintain prices or no. But package is there, or Bona, you be upgraded. You the channels need be ever come home. Sam George can say, no, the on tears here that open test war 30% reduction, at least 30% reduction, open test war.
I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade you to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction.
What is it? Open this one. Now the more can the munya kura. Hey, on between just a most time boss. Yes, on Sam on Tiasi. And was somebody tells Nigeria. Omo DSTV buono. Ever form any other. And Sam George no more conto kwa. But the end of the day, to kwa no kunyano. And fast papa biya maso. The DSTV for eka say omo maintain prices no. Nah. Omo I packages no upgraded no and one as Sam George at the end of the fight obi announce I say we wasting Ghana for nyina time as you say your boss will better so it's obviously the Ghana nyina antro obetwe nyina antro fa so bia masunyan se bia enim eno ana comedian so Twene Jonas no kokwa pai won tiase I was say Mahama Sam George by force by all means I was say Mahama Sam George.
Obviously, Sam George is now marketing manager for DsTV. Well, Jimmy Obi a me ko na bati kutu me kon ma kwa da me go reduce price and na dey say ono na marketing manager oti radio so marketing the value that DsTV has. At the same time, he was unable to reduce the price. Well, Jimmy is abu me ka change say we a minister. HSA we a president no one president in nam president na appointing to representative president investor on unit twa ho onyimi ti say John Mahama no the taxpayers money akotofi ama Tracy Boachi onyimi ti say I asami jamfi no asise sika na akotofi ama shewofo onyimi sa ono ne de say o so make profit enti say broni no South Africa be be DsTV wo Ghana now we Ghana government person what the price so simple. Every year be a DsTV I give $100 million. This year I bet you $50 million. And this $50 million now can mon pushing into subscription, you know. About sa on better price and so drastically. But I say mean taxes so but I make a force on say on no moment prices, you know. Oh yes, sir, business and bad and be collapse because the any business on planet Earth, the goal is to make profit. And this company new running to make a profit, there's no business. On be shut it down. no ma kom krom at the same time no mu jimi mu ntimi mi adwuma ma obia o man no mu be create unemployment because sa multi choice no they have employed more than thousands of Ghanaians every month. Nti sa jimi we nyina emfa me ka kire omo because yenye ne sa et say car dealer ton car e wo dealer na oton car no wakoto bi aka no bi amema say 1 billion abrochire shipping fee 50 million or ba be yi car na tia 5 billion no the car na ji 8 billion o si we jimi nti ubuafu onte so no fanyi 2 billion impossible because obe lose profit at the same time obe lose capital. And the only way I buy with me for so car dealer na man at so 2 million say car dealer no I buy be say 5 billion duty no afri so the abeto be 50 million duty and e be 100 million duty. Say time no car dealer bet me aton car 2 billion and I even 1.5. And he said, one minute is saying, Yansani now the Bibia Buga Jimmy, say me ko me ko say my buy na ba. We yes, sir, I'm koya America bande. Yena is your kuja to abla kwasi ama fire na mo osu Yansan. Se sia wa hu Yansan ni abrofo na kasa abrofo no because ko band the America for a chese woni America on to come so be bande Ghana. Nti say obi ye MPP ni obi ye NDC ni obi ye CPP ni. We ye Ghana government ni de Oba no per visa fama no nko nyasa refuse Ghana has refused American citizen because obi a onkura American passport no nko American embassy nkoje visa di okura Ghana passport oba no anse oba onya visa bia saa na obi American citizen not Ghana wa oba American no anse oba onya passport onya visa saa na tie enti Sam George de yakwase bia nchen no nya jimi ne yedibu oman yedi nyansa and intellectualness. Mona ma jimi na mudi esika nyina etofie ma hyewa. Broni ntisa. Broni krom otwa bebo so aya bisa ade no mo mebo hyewo America. Obia o krom abia broni bia minim ne bia. Odwene kwan befa so bia adwuma mo. Te se de bibini ya jimi a Europieto da bia no anyim obi ofie no anyim obi ofie no anyim obi ofie na da bia bosome so a pressure so no. Wage school fees, wage aduane sika, wage dan sika no da bi. Broni so bie company after company. Amazon bie branch back wa e kina obi another branch, obi another branch. So, enti company back no te say Tesla. Obi se no ma bie branch o company grow so, no ma bie branch wa sa na broni dwuna onwene te say aboa te say bibini. So, obviously fire domahini he said galamsey is gone and medical can want some domahini jankwasi akeka no we yesa obi anim so wagimi galamsey bi ankoi wa ban wo so nti we ndc ni nti ana amado kwasi abetena se galamsey ko waja say every anadubia custom for one frame catch them say Ibrahim Mahama excavator 6000 excavator ode ma ndc for mom dia ko galamsey anti galamsey no MPP for any day, stop them, don't get me wrong. There be a trim be say court, chama untumi omo money to galamsey bio. But NDC for any year na gidi pa anti zona fe kra na say more. Bisa sami jamfi say ho amono to go ni from o to free ni nan for NDC for no. Ama NDC for no kra say aya osisi omo. Go there so turn 100 million no 25 million. Enti ho amono e galamsey no, ho amono to go no, sami jamfi to go ni from o. And I don't mama kwasiano I had print people among say obi aba mo fanchira mo say mining lances and omode sales 20 do mining jimi no yes sir we your hini atwe free politics o obi a nim say opedwo mama jimi for na sem but me kura na mpena sem na nim si wajimi na me pena sem entina ma eto abama na oba ya ode ne kwasi yakobo Kevin Taylor boy pa say o me dada nkofo say obedi porto me no enu ntina eno na ma mi hu se joma ai doma hino ai joma ma no e kwasi anya sa na minim so nim nyansa because mami ato abama me na ase ne say be ka kire ga suma okna my Kevin Taylor so me dwana no sa obeba be deport me na ase no no me na ase adwoma ma boande ma me no won enti se wo yesa abra wonim say Kevin Taylor no kwasi ampanyi no ti oba dem no oba na esuma suma no and oba na echire ne de onye memeti America yi I do whatever it is I want. Me kofa oba she ebe she me dan ma. Me mmra na oba ne bedi so. Me kofa oba na me yidina. Me mmra na oba ne bedi so. Me ko ware na da menya girl ana da menya yere. Me mmra na oba ne bedi so ntimi ni so anko ne ba bi. What you say oba bia ni wiase obetimi ne Twene Jonas akosi dem. Now osuma Twene Jonas. No woman can do that. Tie dia mecho ni ye. Enti odwan sa no na de ne be compare me. Na masoma ne so mejimi. Onfa mo meto amanim abra manfam kwase ankobo pa anka ebi kura me fire mo. Enti masoma Kevin Taylor ne so onwa na num onye me masema na mayi mafrim because me no obi anya be man chan me. Metuo ena no a omo se kwase ampanyini ya. Chris Wade adamfu inkomu kokunu kwa because the entia otewo se obekumenti obi kokunu am kwa wo. Abra me kura me ni mo hwe. Ana mapa o ma cho se mo koku boy no. Kanya san kan na mo bada asore mo meti news se boy no obi akuno. Omo se omo ne natima ntam nti omo bewura ni fio anadwo akọ wo ni sikan akuno. No mo ankasa afre police force akronfo aba fie bi mu ha. Enti omo beba ne yakuno atu fie okwa because otewo se obeba bekume. Meanwhile kraman na ono tewa o threat me no. Ono ankasa no o e criminal te Ghana o ntime ma America ha no aba bekume. But one kana no ntumo ko jimi na obi abekunu kwa. Enti die o mai no mte wana mansuro me na msema jimi a. Me ba be wie mo me ya me se ento aba mamu because na ndwana no odin. Ye ba ye be bie 24-hour economy. Me nso me pese Ghana ni bia nya adwuma because be dura buchira adwuma bu because mpanifo ni nyansa timi ni msemu ni nyansa mbe bia adwuma. So enti me ama ndo so se ento aba mamu na me nim se mu diskani nyina be fro private jet se akufo adomo. Na menim se amudi skani nyina ebe tutofia amamahyawofu asisa de aka ama agrada mo menim won enti maba no magimi na me sen ka kire Ghana for say meme yasan to atia mo because de akofo ado mo ye no eno na mo ye won na me che no mo kura de magimi chen mo ba mo sembe ende galamse ntia ba ne sin afa de Ibrahim mama supply excavator ma boys o mo sensuo na mampanyini na wo no wunua na e mampanyini enti nsuo ni sey a wunua na nanim begu ase wo si wagimi enti moye sa na masa toto bloggers ni nyina ase da bia mu ntwantro enka se mo ya de abra wuntimi ntua tichafo ka adena ndisi fo agimi sa enti say abopa ase obi me attack Twene Jonas na wo yesa wa na open enemies amount because me no I don't say anything for my selfish reason. I speak for Ghanaians. I don't think yewo gold, yewo timber, yewo bibia. Na omanya yewo bibia na bakufo and almost selfish reason. Omunko and they did not mind you know be ebre. Why? Why does this supposed to be this way? Na sefo na amuhu almost and dodo na bosia na omagidi akọ school. Dodo na bosia na sika no ye dey tutofie ma hyewofo ana ahyewofo ti TikTok no mu bo jomama din jomama tofia ma Tracebu ache jomama asiwota ma Tracebu ache na ahyewo ni no na danfo ni ase ye nyina yeti school mi ye teacher fo ba akoko di school ni a ye nyina ye nim etise de teacher ni headmaster kodi school ni akura ya a school for na record na aba newsi bisa say jomama kwase na watimi akoche teacher ni no dabi enso do kwase abegina United Nations say wo kire bro ni nyansa bisa pop daddy mo mato nwom wo sika wo wia sika nyina ya jeli omo enya onkra kra no mkodi omo ama nkodi underage ena o man kwa fefe nkra wo Ghana constitution kire say teacher ni ekwo fa akra school ni akra underage a eso koda prison tidie ntina jomama odwan ni ntimenchi omo eno ayesi oti region so teacher ni asa akofa akra ketwa so when unasa nipa we timeja sa normal we nyina oni krom boni we nyina oni krom na wa pretend say onim say de ekoso oni krom ne no abegina United Nations Canberra for say broni enya bibini criminal no ne nam ne krom a wabodam jomama enti yo no wajimi too much na no wachi akronfo mabo abaso. What are you waiting for? Say Ghana constitution say obi kodi school ni akura e wo se ye chine tum headmaster mua a ese wo kire wo na kanso a nyansa e wo school so nsua de awofo de omo ma ekɔ school a omo nimise ye de ye ma ekɔ school na ye mana kosua nimdie ye mana kosua nimdie abeye ni patitiro daache but omo maba school ma akotie die na mo kire omo ankura nketo na mo fo so die omo na mo se omo awodie na ni nyina dwomama pretend say sa de we no ma ontimi nche ba ko yo no jimifo entimi nkwoche teacher ni nkoto prison entimo yesa o my papa ben na mo chichire mo be encourage teachers na mo makoso a repun kura na wo school sa because ma jimi enti arokali or the prison or riasis kanyina e ma asem sia o pop daddy or the prison or skachen obi a wagidin chen obi a e dient no because emra ye adwuma obroni krom so enti dient na yo no kwase out one ntimi koje untimi first onkwache teacher ni no why Ghana police are Jimmy for Ghana judges for Jimmy for why are you sitting there Charlie I showed them intimament na me power my BMW no na me more AC ni kakra na me catch was a powerhouse logo na bo nya me shall be so tie no of course oba so anu a share no kra na me catch was a kwan bia wa bia wan we nya me shall bro ni heaven na mu na ya na me BMW no na me more AC ni kakra so enti awufo de omoma eba school they are expecting say omoma eba besua ade nimdie e wo school na omoba na teacher ni akorepu omoba no na emra a e wo Ghana won kire say teacher ni repu akura e wo se yachi teacher ni tum na dwomama kwase ampanyin ni yohuno omo ne nam ho ntime nchi teacher fo na what is going on so enti NDC for there I don't know why amudi mu amu ho abro mi nim de ti amudi mu amu ho abro because the amu ye ni nyina de mo be ko opposition oh mi nim de ti a obi betena wi azze magimi mi di me ho abro I don't know why I made me ho abro because we Jimmy criminal obi e di akura wo school headmaster mua I was other prison up to now I have beans and this I have beans ya sankwasi afo we hwan nkoto abama mu bio ntisema Jimmy sa hwan nkoto abama mu bio jo mama woni twasere wa Jimmy sa oba no a wonam wo no oba ba ya no eno ko school eno 13 years eno teacher ni akodina enti ka be ye ode enti wa Jimmy sa ye hwan nkoto abama mu bio enti mo be lusu mo ba one temper I will take NDC home into opposition Twene Jonas said so me de mbekọ fie nurses na omo ye demonstration Ghana nurses mu nyina mu kama komantum yam 4 years e wo he ya mema makoto aba ama obi foforo because joma ama na mema amoto aba ma no we disappoint mu or discan te private jet mi or disikana ma ne bana ni tise bosom ni so mpanye boxing onwene Ghana ni bia ho or disikano akotwe foreigners abegu Ghana na wo ye den or disikane to aduane ma omudi sika Ghana ni a ono ato aba ma ono on value no foreigner criminal Trump would deport no foreigner no oye ni papa ka Trump would deport no there be oye criminal na se wa Jimmy na wo ji omo Ghana abrese esika no betimi de atua na esefo ni teacher fo no ka nipa nya omo bodwo mama nwufin wo ban oyire na ne nwufin kwasi aba lodina edi adwuma na oye na no United Nations be say $300,000 NDC fo na ne frame ka kire me United Nations shopping keke a oba na bag obey to to ye $300,000 enti adan na mu di mu amu abro because de mu ye no mu de party ni co-position and found say my sister Jomama my sister judges for at the NDC for nyina be judges enti ye lusu kura mbeji ama esi ye ye wini o nkaku besi waje ase nkaku besi ntina do man ne medical ka che no se dwoma ama na be ye o ho ahwan jeje a entre se wo betimi aba be jimi ho wo ye NDC ni jeje a entre se obi adibone na oye NDC ni na kwache na untimi nche no untimi sentence no mo ye sa mo be se o man no headmaster imagine so NDC ni eninti esa se nke MPP ni ena akodi school ni akura 13 years ankoma kwache na dada but NDC ni de omu ntimi nche no galamse omu ba NDC fo a mu ye nyina omu ntimi nche ba akura but omu timi a stop MPP fo nyina why Obi say I onya subscribe obi anko Twene Jonas TV nko subscribe say ba the comment by me huma body. O say fire kwasia no friend hu Igbo king wo Ghana no. Eno na me ka che Jomama kwasia no nko Scotland. Yes say Ghana ni bi ko friend hu ohene wo. Ya change na to deportation camp. Eno ne friend leadership. Into Koshia Scotland for no. Omo so ba United Nations omo for private jet omo business class him. Na de kwasia be gina say wona anim nyansa nyina wo wi ase wona ate brofo. Na ukrum criminals na mo free nipa free F00LISH Igbo king na untimi nchi omo nipa to omo we ya boa stupid man Jomama we jimi chen kraman stupid man nyansa ba kokura ni wa o tim we ya boa you are stupid man me no ko opposition mbe lusu titichafo no ene nurse fo na muntu omo ka na mo ye demonstration mo stop mo energy mo ntena fie anya hwe mo ntena fie me no mbe ko fie mko opposition na fe ni yedu abato a omma foreigners mwa na omye immigrant na omudi scan hwe omo emeto abamo NDC fo so magina NDC fo no kura no maka chese ka mo mfa sika am de hwe foreigner fo mwa mu de kofo munya mu kan kire America fo se munyi criminal bia okuro no mu kan kire omo na bi magimi mo ji criminal se sika no betimi ya bie adwuma ma NDC fo no ma chem se NDC fo no mo namfofo ya MPP fo nti NDC ni onya adwuma ye no obetima ko ware MPP ni NDC ni obi wani ni NDC ni ono so ya MPP ni o sika obetimi aboni nu abosia obetima todia nti adna ne ye man ketewa ye japade ne ye resources side be boa ye aye ho no yesi ye jimi ye de ko boa fo ye na ono afa nsuosu akọ obi krom illegal no kwa di bone ni ache no wabedi wabobi krom bre ho ase immigrant for no California Trump ani abre a wo hante omo a wo chichi omo rough no omo kwahye buildings after buildings government buildings o no mashi police cars police for cars kwa no omo tubo bom ti re me choni yo omo tubo bom physical wabobi krom utimi shi police car now the krom flag enam police car no so now jina omutimi shi police cars omutimi shi government buildings and these are the criminals Trump pompe okromu a enye obi ono ye immigrant ono aba wa sonson ne ho a wodi obi nkrata ye adwuma okofie okọ adwuma ofire adwuma no abehye ne dam sankofo ni nyina obi anche omo but criminals mama example typical one or Ghana ho a nansia o tretimi ya Ghana fo na akura se ombeku na mama yina mse da bi obu ya nyai ma omu nkoku no ba akoso trete dia amema omu go ahead am omu koku no omu se omu ni ba bi ote enti yohoro ni Jomama se boy no obi ko ni so anadwo koku na eye me am nkofo na koku no ntimo obi anye den enkoye investigation set space money because ono na I wish there for ma ono ane ho oti Ghana security nya adwuma omu se omu no na timentem wo oni watchman kura ni bi ofio nti eno anzo mo gbowura wa ba be wo sikan aboa me uni baby Ghana ni be na hu baby ameteme me millionaire odwan menye hia ni ti se Ghana ni oti America odwan me ye moi time millionaire o free car metim enye stolen car ti se odi no we me am dia brand new I buy them physical cash Jomama kwa siana wa employ Kevin Taylor Kraman no ono ti oba basement bisa se ono obetimi ato petrol kura gu me empower wem okufes kawan this Jomama kwa sian the taxpayers man sika ni bi brand so me twan trans na wanya sika dia atone ho me I own companies after companies, mansions after mansions after mansions, luxuries cars after luxuries after luxury because me nyere me nyansa me sika me ye investment nko na anu me ye video chem investment ahodo amewo enti me subscribers nkura me tu omfo sema omunye mistake omu invest omu sika omunye nyina omu hard earn money na so enti mesramo oman ni ye ya obi ahonton Ghana first before foreigner. In the history of Ghana, since a Ghana we as Ghana ni bia nkoye immigrant ana if as a refugee will be krum da eye dwomama kwase enko ana ama ntafo mwai egu bokukum nipa free omadwem se omobro mra so enso santafo nkwasiafo ebedu kumase a asantini edika ya yoyere no na asantini se dinatem asantini time pa na nimso kura na ogina ho se pa asantini achew
obetwa kire wadwen amame e wo comment section Penyah Media.